Hello students, today we will discuss internet banking, e-banking, online banking और internet banking. सेम है e-banking, online banking और internet banking. Means any user with a personal computer and a browser can get connected to his bank's website to perform any of the virtual banking functions. क्या है? वर्चुअल बैंकिंग फंक्शंस. ठीक है ना, जब हम मैनुअली नहीं करते हैं, वर्चुअली करते हैं. इन इंटरनेट बैंकिंग सिस्टम द बैंक हैज़ अ सेंट्रलाइज्ड डेटाबेस दैट इज़ वेब एनेबल्ड. बैंक्स का अपना ही हम कहते हैं डेटाबेस होता है, सेंट्रलाइज्ड डेटाबेस होता है और वेब एनेबल्ड होता है. ऑल द सर्विसेज दैट द बैंक हैज़ परमिटेड ऑन द इंटरनेट आर डिस्प्लेड इन मेन्यू. Any service can be selected and further interaction is dictated by the nature of service. The traditional branch model of bank is now giving place to an alternative delivery channels with ATM network. ठीक है ना, ATM से सब अवेयर हैं. Once the branch offices of bank are interconnected through terrestrial or satellite links, there would be no physical identity of any branch. It would be a borderless entity permitting anytime, anywhere and anyhow banking. क्या है, देखो तीन चीज़ें आ गई ना. एनी टाइम मतलब 24 आवर्स आप कर सकते हैं. एनीवेयर कहीं पर भी फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल हो सकती है. एंड एनी हाउ किसी भी तरीके से आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. The network which connects the various locations and gives connectivity to the central office. अब यहाँ देखिए, एक सेंट्रल ऑफिस रहेगा मेन ऑफिस. Within the organization is called intranet. तो इंट्रानेट शॉर्ट टाइप क्वेश्चंस में आ सकता है कि व्हाट इज इंट्रानेट. तो ध्यान दें, these networks are limited to organizations for which they are set up. SWIFT, SWIFT, is a live example of intranet application. Internet banking includes familiar and relatively mature electronically based products in developing markets such as telephone banking, credit cards, ATMs, and direct deposit. It also includes electronic bill payments and products mostly in the developing stage, including stored value cards. Stored value cards कौन से हो गए? Smart cards, smart money, and internet-based store value products. Internet banking is changing the banking industry and is having the major effects on banking relationships. Banking is now no longer confined to the branches where one has to approach the branch in person to withdraw cash or deposit a check or request a statement of accounts. In true internet banking, any inquiry or transaction is processed online without any reference to the branch. ठीक है ना, कोई भी जो हम सारी कह रहे हैं, सारी प्रोसेस जो है, ट्रांजैक्शन है, ऑनलाइन होगी एट एनी टाइम. Providing internet banking is increasingly becoming a need to have than a nice to have service. क्या है? Nice to have के बजाय हम कह रहे हैं need to have service. The net banking thus now is more of a norm rather than an exception in many developed countries due to the fact that it is cheapest way of providing banking services. तो क्लियर, इंटरनेट बैंकिंग, ठीक है, ऑनलाइन बैंकिंग भी यही है, ई बैंकिंग भी यही है, मीन्स इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली. देन ऑब्जेक्टिव्स करते हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज टू प्रोवाइड सर्विसेज एंड यूजर्स own environment for कन्वीनियंस एंड एसेसिबिलिटी। अब देखें, आप इंटरनेट बैंकिंग यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो आप बैंक पर फिज़िकली डिपेंड नहीं हैं, आप अपने हिसाब से, अपने एनवायरनमेंट्स के हिसाब से कन्वीनियंटली अवेल कर सकते हैं सर्विसेज। जैसे आपको कोई बिल पे करना है, ठीक है, या फिर जैसे क्रेडिट कार्ड यूज़ कर रहे होते हैं, डेबिट कार्ड यूज़ कर रहे होते हैं, तो आप अपनी कन्वीनियंस पर यूज़ कर सकते हैं। टू रिड्यूस रिस्क ऑफ हैंडलिंग कैश, है ना, कैश संभालने की का रिस्क नहीं रहता है। देन टू प्रोवाइड लो कॉस्ट एंड फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज टू रूरल एंड अंडर सर्विस्ड कम्युनिटीज़, जहाँ पर कि बैंकिंग सर्विसेज इजीली अवेलेबल नहीं हो सकती है, वहाँ हम कहते हैं कि इंटरनेट बैंकिंग यूज़फुल होती है। नेक्स्ट वन इज़ टू प्रोवाइड अ सिस्टम दैट डिलीवर्स एफिशिएंट पेमेंट्स लिंक टू अ बैंक अकाउंट। ओके, तो ये हैं ऑब्जेक्टिव्स। नाउ यूजेस। One can avail the following services. First one is bill payment service. Each bank has tie-ups with various utility companies, service providers, and insurance companies across the country. One can facilitate payment of electricity and telephone bills, mobile phone, credit card, insurance premium bills, as each bank has tie-ups with various utility companies, service providers, and insurance companies. ठीक है ना, बैंक हर जो सर्विस प्रोवाइडर हैं वो इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज भी हो सकती हैं, यूटिलिटी कंपनीज हो सकती हैं, और हम बात कर रहे हैं अक्रॉस द कंट्री। टू पे द बिल्स सिंपली complete a one-time registration for each biller. One-time registration. One can also set up standing instructions online to pay recurring bills automatically. Generally, the bank does not charge customers for online bill payment. Then fund transfer. One can transfer any amount from one account to another of the same or any another bank. ठीक है ना, फंड ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हैं। कस्टमर्स कैन सेंड मनी एनीवेयर इन इंडिया. Once the person log in to his account, he needs to mention the pays account number, his bank, and the branch. The transfer will take place in a day or so. Whereas in traditional method, it takes about 3 working days. ICICI Bank says that online bill payment service and fund transfer facility have been their most popular online services. Next one is credit card customers. With internet banking, customers can not only pay their credit card bills online but also get a loan on their cards. क्या कर सकते हैं, कार्ड्स पर लोन भी ले सकते हैं. If anyone loses credit card, he or she can report about the lost card online. Next one is investing through internet banking. One can now open an FD online through funds transfer. Now investors with interlinked demat account and bank account can easily trade in stock market, and the amount will be automatically debited from their respective bank accounts. ठीक है ना, ऑटोमेटिकली डेबिटेड हो जाती है, and the shares will be credited in their demat account. Moreover, some banks even gave the facility to purchase mutual funds directly from the online banking system. Next one is recharging prepaid phone. Now just top up prepaid mobile cards by logging into the internet banking by just selecting the operator's name, entering the mobile number and the amount of recharge. The phone is again back in action within few minutes. तो ये हम बात कर रहे हैं प्रीपेड के, जब रिचार्ज करते हैं ना फ़ोन, तो ये सारा क्या है, इंटरनेट बैंकिंग ही है. नेक्स्ट वन इज शॉपिंग. विद अ रेंज ऑफ all kind of products, one can shop online, and the payment is also made conveniently through the account. One can also buy railway and air tickets through internet banking. Now we will discuss advantages of internet banking. First one is very convenient. Internet banking is a totally easy thing to do. In the comfort of home or offices, people can do whatever monetary transactions they wish to do with their bank. वेरी कन्वीनियंट है अनलिमिटेड सर्विस है द सर्विसेज एंड वेरियस फीचर्स ऑफ बैंक आर ऑलवेज अवेलेबल 7 days a week 7 days a week and 24 hours daily. The most interesting thing here is that everything can happen at just one click of mouse. No time constraint. Internet banking is also stress free because it never closes, unlike the traditional banking that has cut off time. नेक्स्ट वन इज इजी टू एक्सेस ठीक है ना इजी एक्सेस कर सकते हैं देन इजी वे ऑफ पेमेंट पेमेंट इजीली कर सकते हैं then higher interest rate. Another great advantage of internet banking is the interest rates, which basically range from 3.40 to 5% annually. Unlike the traditional banking, online banking can earn a better interest or return of investment both in savings and checking account. Then easy transaction, efficient है effective है. Now, disadvantage of internet banking. Time taking in startup. In order to register for bank's online program, people will probably have to provide ID and sign a form to a bank branch. Provide ID and sign a form at a bank branch. If they and their spouse wish to view and manage their assets together online, one of them may have to sign a durable power of attorney because before the bank will display all of their holdings together. Then a learning curve. Banking sites can be difficult to navigate at first. Plan to invest some time or read the tutorials in order to become comfortable in virtual lobby. Then bank site changes. Even the largest banks periodically upgrade their online programs, adding new features in unfamiliar places. In some cases, people may have to re-enter account information. Next one is trust aspect. For many people, the biggest hurdle to online banking is learning to trust it. Internet banking should be entered very carefully if people wish to enjoy their financial life. Okay? Thank you.